How to be a bad girl. If you want to be a bad girl, then you've got to rock the look and the attitude. It's all about having fun, living an exciting life, and being confident enough to attract any guys or female friends. I never said I was a good girl. Marilyn Monroe said, and it made her an icon. Being a bad girl is an art. Method 1. Getting the right look. 1. Pick the right shoes. Bad girls pay attention to their entire look, and they don't neglect shoes. Stilettos are a bad girl's key accessory, at least at night. Above all, bad girls wear sexy shoes. 2. Wear makeup for effect. Bad girls don't leave the house without mascara. They love to play with makeup. Bad girls use eyeliner to show drama and strength. The French actress Brigitte Bardot used eyeliner in her movies as a statement. When it comes to eyeliner, the blacker the better. Try a cat eye. Red lips make a statement, so do smoky eyes. 3. Wear sunglasses. Sunglasses create an aura of mystery and, above all, bad girls have an aura. Don't wear sunglasses indoors or at night, though, there's a fine line between cool and obnoxious. 4. Don't be high maintenance. Bad girls don't take 5 hours to get ready. They're too confident to fixate on their appearance excessively. A bad girl doesn't have to be dressed to the nines at all times, but she never looks sloppy. 5. Wear black and wear leather, but don't wear it all the time. Bad girls don't wear pastels, those are for girly girls. Bad girls don't wear bows, and they don't do ruffles. Try monochrome. When Beyoncé's sister Solange Knowles wore head-to-toe red, she won raves. 6. Get a tattoo. Your tattoo should have a backstory. Avoid a tramp stamp. 7. Don't follow trends. Madonna is an example of a bad girl who did things her own way. Whether it's her cone bra or challenging society's rules, Madonna broke convention. That means something uniquely yours. Bad girls find their own look, and they stick with it, whether they go vamp or goth. 8. Be comfortable with sex appeal. Bad girls know their power over others. When they walk into a room, people look because she wasn't afraid of using sex appeal to seduce. Method 2. Being adventurous. 1. Pick the right ride. You might find a bad girl on a motorcycle. She probably drives a sports car. You'll never see her in a minivan. Ever. 2. Travel. When you travel, don't sign up for a tour or stick to well-traveled routes. Be willing to go to exotic locales. Rent a car, and randomly land in little villages. 3. Embrace activities that show courage. Be the girl who is up for anything, within reason. Skydiving isn't for everyone, but if you do it, people will be impressed with your moxie. Hang gliding highlights the bad girl's best trait, she loves freedom. Dancing shows your free-spirited side and confidence. 4. Enjoy sports. But don't just pretend to enjoy sports. Actually understand something about the game. Throw out a statistic or two to show you know your stuff. 5. Drink classy. Bad girls don't get drunk. They might be seen with a martini in hand. Or they'll have a beer with the guys. They drink, but they do it the right way. You won't see them doing jello shots, losing control, or dancing on bars. 6. Don't be the princess. Sleeping Beauty is not. Princesses are fragile. They are powerful, and they know it. 7. Eat with gusto, sometimes. Bad girls eat with gusto, just not all the time. They're adventurous with food. 8. Listen to rock and roll. Rocker Joan Jett personified what many people think of as a bad girl. She even wrote a song about it. 'Cause I was born to be bad, I'm not sad, but I'm glad I did it. Born to be bad, I'm not sad, why don't you all get with it? Thanks for watching.